Good evening. This is the case of Emilio Tan versus Court of Appeals with GR number 48049, promulgated on June 29, 1989. Facts of the case: Tan Lee Siong, father of herein petitioners, applied for life insurance with the respondent company Philippine American Life Insurance Company. Said application was approved and a corresponding policy was issued effective November 5, 1973. On April 26, 1975, Tan Lee Siong died of hepatoma. Hence, petitioners filed with respondent company their claim for the proceeds of the life insurance policy. However, the insurance company denied the said claim and rescinded the policy by reason of the alleged mispresentation and concealment of material facts made by the deceased Tan Lee Siong in his application for insurance. The petitioners contend that the respondent company no longer had the right to rescind the contract of insurance, as rescission must allegedly be done during the lifetime of the insured, within 2 years and prior to the commencement of the action. The present issue is whether or not the insurance company has the right to rescind the contract of insurance despite the presence of the incontestability clause. Its ruling, yes, the policy was thus enforced for a period of only 1 year and 5 months. Considering that the insured died before the 2 year period has elapsed, respondent company is not therefore barred from proving that the policy is void ab initio by reason of the insured's fraudulent concealment.